Hey guys, and welcome back to this Canva course. So, in this lecture, let's learn a few things about Twitter and posting on Twitter. So, Twitter is mostly about limited text and writing mostly through text, but definitely an image, adding, and designs can help you stand out on Twitter as well. And more than that, maybe perhaps it's a special occasion that you want an image to go with your Twitter post. So let's create one, because even Twitter with designs Twitter post would look amazing. So here is Twitter post. You can see the resolution is quite different. It is more of a rectangular sort of shape. So it's a user story. You can select any one of these, but let's start with a blank design for the Twitter post. And as it opens, the first thing we do is rename the file. And Canva gives you an advanced option of publish to Twitter directly through here. That's one good thing to have. So I'm writing this Twitter post Twitter. Okay, so let's try it a different way. Perhaps you might have reached a 100,000 subscriber account on any one of your social media, or let's say Twitter. So let's try doing it in that way. So let's see if we can find some interesting ideas. So we haven't used much of these frames recently. Let's see if we can find some interesting frames. So they are alphabet and number frames. So let's utilize this one now. Let's add. Perhaps we might have reached 100 and 100,000 subscriber, and now you would like to make it openly. So let's do that. Let's give it, so you can see the grid line that shows you the spacing, and I'm just trying to keep a sort of uniform spacing. So that would be nice. And let's think of what channel you might have. So perhaps you have some channels. Let's give a generic idea. Perhaps you have a channel related to music, and definitely you can go to pexels.com and search there, but this time let's go through the route of right here. So let's see in photos if there are some interesting ideas. So I guess we can keep a 4 different instrument here, and let's make it simple and nice looking. So let's try to give this thing a meaning. So you see in key the letter this is showing properly. If you double click and you want a more properly shown, then this should work. So that looks fine there. So it's fine. Now let's, perhaps we can give a background. So you can even search the background related to music. Oh, I don't think a background would look like that. So let's see if we can see in background anything that's interesting and that would pop out. So not the landscapes and anything like that. To bliss surf. Or if you prefer to go through this route of using the photos right in the background, whereas if we had utilized this thing in the background, this would pop. Nope, it doesn't look nice. Nope. This looks fine. Let's see if we get more ideas. Even this looks fine. I like this one, but let's say if your channel, YouTube channel of something common, then even this would look nice. So let's see if we get some more ideas. So even this is looking good. So try to see if what is blending right to your need. So I'm just dragging and checking which one would be better looking. So I like this one as well. So see, since this and this both are of dark background, so this two is not actually popping out properly. So your background, this one actually, this will be more of a light vibrant color, that's more. So if I try keeping this, then since this is black and white, this is still not popping out properly. Let's see something more colorful. So this might look nice. I actually liked this one. So if you want, you can keep this one also. But this one show you the color right properly. So let's see with this one. So we tried different, and we tried even the earlier one. I like one of these. So I like one of these one. So you can play along, you can see different which one you like and which one you don't like. And for me, I like this one, and it's constant in my mind. I was trying to find something similar to like this, but that's fine. I would actually prefer if I could flip this. Yep. So that would be all, creating your Twitter post, and you can directly publish it to Twitter through this route. And I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Now I'll see you on the next one.